Hello, it's Myle'a. I'm just continuing on talking about IEPs and your rights as a parent and as a student, what you're capable to do in those meetings and what you can expect. Last time I touched about how the documents cannot be created before your attendance. They can't be pre-made, that they have to be made with you in your presence and in the meeting, actually. That is the requirement by law. They're not supposed to make it without you. They can't not include you in the meetings. They have to give you enough notice before a meeting so that you can attend. And if you can't attend, they have to then give you enough time to make it work for your schedule too. So you do not have to rush. If they say rush, don't think that you have to, though they will try, because they're on a time limit or time frame deadline that they have to put certain things together before a certain date, or else they don't get funding for your child. That's their fault. It's not yours. Don't let them press you into doing anything quicker than you need to do it. They are going to try to rush through the evaluation process for your child because they'll wait to the last minute to actually create this IEP for your child. That's what majority of the time I've seen them do. They'll wait to the very last minute and then pull your child from class for about a week's time through the whole day so that they can test them and evaluate them extraneously on the child. Let me tell you, it's extraneous for the child to go through this. It's not a right, but this is how they function. At least in my experience, this is how it's been. Understand though, as a parent, you have rights. As a parent, you have a choice to bring who you want to those meetings. You have a choice as well. If you don't agree with the evaluations that have taken place with that school or with the specialist that they have, or if you do not agree with anything that they are saying or that their evaluations were a comprehensive one, you can request an IEE, which is an individual education evaluation by someone that's outside of the school, that's not affiliated, and it could be at the public expense. The only stipulation that you have to obtain that is to request that in a meeting and to ask specifically for an IEE at the public's expense. They have to give you or grant that to you within 10 days. They have to give you a reason why they're refusing, if they refuse, or if they don't refuse, then they have to give you a list of different people that you might be able to utilize. But you by no means have to use that list. You can find your own evaluation specialist or your own neuropsychologist or your own person to do those evaluations for you. You do not have to go off the list that they provide you, but by law they have to provide you something. So just know that you have a stipulation, and all you have to do is ask and request for an IEE at the public's expense. If you do so, then you have the right to it. And if they don't give it to you, then they have to give you a reason. And even still, if they deny you for that, then they have to go ahead and submit a due process hearing if you don't agree with that. They have to, mandatory, they have to actually submit that due process hearing to have you heard and them heard in front of an administrative law judge.